Okay, you guys, my cat's interested in that Uncle Fester coat for some reason. And welcome back, it's Chris Lambert. Welcome back to my Wednesday series unboxing channel, here we'll call it. I've got a couple more things, you've seen one of them before, but I didn't have anything to pack it in, so this one is, of course, the Wednesday Adam costume. So she already got shoes and stuff. Her costume was in one of these garbage bags like this in her garage, and her son threw it out, so, or somebody threw it out. So we got another one. And also, what else is in here? We got more bees. That's for the bee boy. We'll have to set that up later. I'll show you that later. One of my favorite chargers, the OtterBox wall charging kit. Comes with the charging brick and the cable. This one is 30 watts. I thought I ordered 40 watts, but it is better for your battery to charge it slow than it is to charge it fast. If you charge it too fast all the time, it's supposed to wear the battery out. So slower charging is better, but this is a fast charger. I like it. It's extra, so we're gonna. Wednesday needed a charger, so she's gonna get one. Yeah. Put her stuff in a bag here. I recommend these chargers. They cost about 40 bucks though, but you know, if you can afford it, I think it's worth it. So there we go. Wednesday's Nevermore Academy school uniform charger. You know, the Wednesday in the movie does not like chargers. I don't have a label on this one, but there you go. We've got the Wednesday Nevermore Academy school uniform phone charging block. Check out my channel later. I'll post pictures and hopefully some videos of our Halloween costume contest from the Wednesday TV series on Netflix from 2022. Check back again. I'll have more unboxing videos from the Wednesday series. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Make a comment if you like. Click the bell if you want to be notified. And thank you for watching. Take care.